In this video, we're going to look at two types of bullet lists and how they import when you do a PowerPoint import. So we will look at two different types. The one that you're seeing at the top is an example of text with bullets. So these would be inline bulleted elements. So there's a line of text without a bullet. And then some selected text that was turned into bullets. And then below you have a text field with all of the elements inside the field are bulleted lists. And so we're going to go ahead and import that and see what that looks like. Also, pay close attention to this particular fancy font that this PowerPoint is using because it will not be imported. So here we go. We're going to start with a new project. We're going to select Import PowerPoint. We're going to choose File. We're going to select these bullet variations as the name of the PowerPoint file. We're going to open it, and it analyzed the file. It's finished. Now we click Import, and then it extracts the content, and then it rebuilds the content, and it automatically gives us a Claro project with the Nova player theme and our one page with our bulleted text, both elements. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that if you have an element inside of PowerPoint that is only a bulleted list, it will automatically get converted into Claro's bullet list component. So you can see up here that this is not a rich text field. It's actually a widget of sorts. So changing the icons or not using icons is super easy to use inside of this widget. And then to change your text, you can just select inside of these different text fields, and you can even add another item if you want. We can call this one List Only Item 3, and then say OK out of that widget, and then it automatically adds it into that list. Now the difference up here is that this is converted to inline text. So when this, didn't mean to move that. When this text is selected, you can see that the bulleted item is selected, and then also the left justified. And when we put the cursor in the top here, the bulleted list is not selected and it is left justified. So two different ways that text gets imported into dominKnow 1. And again, as I'm closing this out, you'll notice that the font did not transfer or convert into dominKnow 1. And that is something you will have to do later, and we will show you how to add fonts in a different video.